Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular camera models, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Sony Alpha 7 IV. We'll be evaluating them in various categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we begin, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now, let's dive into the comparison. Starting with the price, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E is priced at $899, while the Sony Alpha 7 IV comes in at $2,499. Both cameras offer exceptional features, but bear in mind the price difference when considering your budget. When it comes to resolution, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with ISO range from 100-25,600 H 51,200. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7 IV takes it further with a 33MP full-frame Exmor R back-illuminated CMOS sensor. It offers remarkable low-light performance and flexibility for capturing stunning images. Both cameras are equipped with advanced image processors. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E features the Digic 8 image processor with auto lighting optimizer, delivering excellent image quality and optimizing exposure. The Sony Alpha 7 IV sports the next-generation BIONZ XR image processing engine, offering even more powerful processing capabilities and faster performance. In terms of autofocus, the Canon boasts improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, while the Sony comes with a highly capable AF system. You won't be disappointed with either. For videographers, both cameras offer impressive capabilities. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E can shoot 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p for slow-motion footage. It also features a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, making it convenient for vlogging and various compositions. The Sony Alpha 7 IV takes it up a notch, supporting up to 4K 60p, 10-bit 4:2:2 recording and offering 7K oversampling full-frame 4K 30p 10-bit 4:2:2 footage without pixel binning. Both cameras deliver outstanding video quality. In terms of additional features, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers high-quality webcam capability using the free EOS webcam utility software, built-in Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth technology for seamless connectivity. It even includes a combination tripod grip and remote for added convenience. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7 IV simplifies beautiful color expression with its S-Cinetone color profile, providing artistic shooting straight out of the camera. Both cameras offer unique features to enhance your shooting experience. And that concludes our comparison between the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Sony Alpha 7 IV. Both cameras have their strengths and are suitable for different needs. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.